Here on Orca Trip, we have fallen in love with drones. We just have one problem. The drone we have is ginormous. It's a hassle to carry it around. And so we invested in the Mavic Air. And that might not seem significant to you, but it's significant to us because it's so tiny, it's so light, it's really a game changer. We used to travel like this. This is the Phantom 3. It's huge. Look how big that is, right? It's such a pain in the butt to fly with this thing, and it's not even that great of a drone. So we're very excited because the Mavic Air has let us replace this thing with this. Look how tiny this thing is. Accessory bag and drone. That is a significant decrease in how much stuff we have to carry when we travel. Not only are the features better than the other drone we've been traveling with, it's tiny. It's so great. So stick around. We're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the Fly More pack, which is what we got. And we're going to test it outside. We're going to fly it around and see what it can do. So stick around. That's coming your way now. You can get this in 3 different colors: Arctic White, Flame Red, Onyx Black, which is the one I got. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Alright, so this is the Fly More combo pack, which comes in at just under $1,000. It has just a few more things in the base model. I think it has a few more batteries, things of that nature. I'll put it up on the screen here, everything that it comes with. You can get the base model for $799. Like I said, it just comes with a few less things, but obviously it still comes with, I believe, the controller and the drone. So let's actually dig into this box and see what is here. Look at this. This is, I don't think you guys understand how insanely small this is. I don't even have big hands, but that's the size of my hand. Okay, just to reiterate, the impact this is going to have on our travel. Look at this. Look at this. I could go from this, something that has to go on my back, to something that could go in my pocket. That's insane. Anyways, let's continue to see what's in the box. Ugh. A nice little carrying case, it looks like. We got the controller. Seems like propellers. Ooh, batteries. 1, 2. Charging dock. Looks like you can charge up to 4 batteries here. Power cord. Other side of the power cord. Oh, with looks like USB chargers. That's convenient for travel. Okay, nice. And that all fits inside this really nicely. I want to be able to fly this and show it to you guys, so I'm going to start charging this stuff now. I have no idea how to do this. Oh, okay, it's much easier than I made it look. It just, plug that in, and this cord can plug into the wall. Now that I got the batteries charging, we probably want to get the controller charging. But first, let's take a look at it. So it looks like the actual joysticks screw on because they're not currently attached. So let's take this apart and figure out where everything is. Cool. So that breaks out right there, so you can put your phone in. You got 2 joysticks, which is great that they detach because this makes it way more compact. And they can screw in there. Antennas. A dial, picture, record. That's great. This is, oh man, this is so great. This is so much better than the Phantom controller. As you can see, there's a battery pack that's on the bottom here. These arms fold out. It seems like they don't want to pop out. I feel like I'm going to break it. Oh, okay. I think this goes up. Good thing I wasn't too forceful. So you push it down and it'll come up. And then you have 2 little kickstands right there. What do we have left? We have a gimbal up front here. You just grab it there, pop out. All right, so that's that. That'll protect your gimbal when you travel, so make sure you don't lose that. See how tiny that gimbal is? Really easy to protect it with this thing. Just slip that on, pop it off, ready to fly. Seems easy enough. And then press once and then hold for 2 seconds. Oh, this has no juice whatsoever, so I'm gonna charge this up. And we will be back shortly to fly this thing, so stick around. Alright, so we're gonna test out the Mavic Air at a park by my house. It's winter, so it's not super beautiful out, but we'll still be able to see what it can do. Just a few specs on this that supposedly this can do. Each battery is supposed to let you fly for about 21 minutes. It has sensors, so it'll avoid different obstacles, which is really great. And it has a bunch of new settings that this does not have. So I'm really excited about the increase. These birds are so loud. I'm really excited about the additional functionality of this guy compared to the Phantom. And without further ado, we should take it up and see what it can actually really do. So let's do that. So I am very pleased with this. This is absolutely phenomenal. So glad that we picked it up. If you're interested in getting one of your own, I have links in the description below of where you can get yours. If you guys would like to see other videos about this, maybe what it can do, different features and things of that nature, let us know in the description below and we'll make another video for you. And as always, it'd be really greatly appreciated if you guys subscribe. It helps us know that these videos are what you like seeing. And we'll catch you on our next video. All right, see you guys.